A delegation led by President of All Pakistan Clerk Association Mr. Sharifzada met Director Education Karachi Mr. Arshad Baig, in which there was a detailed discussion on EPCA's Charter of Demand. In the Charter of Demand, seniority protection and promotion of Class 4 are on the top list. The director assured the delegation that their legitimate issues will be resolved as soon as possible. The delegation thanked the director, Chairman Shabbir Ahmed, Senior Leader Liaqatullah, President of District Central Nomanullah, President of Korangi Ijaz Ahmed, Chairman of District South Abdul Rauf, President Shehzad Awan, Information Secretary Tariq Yusuf Baloch and other officials were included in the delegation. Report by I Buky.